Python pandas replace NaN in one column with value from another column of the same row it has B as list column. Input data frame. Output data frame. I want the target column r_id with a list column. The source column ID is not a list. Referred the below links in Stack Overflow. Python pandas replace NaN in one column. Tried the following as well: data_merge_l.related_device.filner, data_merge_l.df0_desk_label_I.to_list, in place equals true.
You can use explode and group B.
You can transform the column ID to an array, add a dimension, then make a list of it and fill them with a series like. Or if you don't have a lot of NaN, it may worth to select only these rows prior to do anything.
I think Anki_91's answer will be faster, but you could also try this. Output.
We can use list_comprehension plus series.filner. First we create a list with all the ID values converted to list type. Then we replace NaN here by our list values. Or in one line using apply, thanks are.ok.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.